Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to add QR code in Canva. So you can either download the QR code in your device and upload it to Canva. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's go to upload. You can either download the QR code and upload in your Canva like this over here, or you can simply copy your QR code. So yeah, in order to do that, so in this case I've already copied my QR code. So let's go to this and you can simply paste, and there you go, QR code is there. And in case you have your QR code downloaded, you can simply go to upload the QR code over in Canva and add your QR code like that. So it's quite simple. Like, you simply scan your QR code from here, and yeah. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.